In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a healthy diet can feel like a daunting task, especially for busy professionals juggling meetings, deadlines, and endless to-do lists. With nutrition often pushed aside, it's easy to fall into unhealthy patterns. However, the food we eat directly impacts our energy, focus, and overall well-being. The good news is that with the right mindset and a bit of planning, healthy eating can be simple and sustainable even with a packed schedule. Here are key strategies to help professionals stay fueled and focused throughout the day. 1. Plan ahead for success. Planning is your secret weapon against a hectic schedule. Set aside time once a week, perhaps on a Sunday, to cook in bulk. Grains, lean proteins, and vegetables can be mixed and matched throughout the week for quick, healthy meals. Batch cooking also saves time during the week. Freeze portions for quick meals later. Keep nutritious snacks like nuts, seeds, cut veggies with hummus or yogurt with berries on hand to avoid reaching for unhealthy options when hunger strikes. And always aim for balanced plates with lean protein, complex carbs, and plenty of vegetables. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Carry a water bottle and sip throughout the day. It helps maintain energy and concentration. 2. Practice mindful eating. Taking meal breaks can help you step away from work and truly enjoy your food. Tune in to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're satisfied, not stuffed. Avoid screens while eating as it can improve digestion and prevent overeating. 3. Make smarter food choices. Start by choosing water first and limit sugary drinks and caffeine. Cook smarter by grilling, baking, or steaming foods instead of frying. Choose whole grains like brown rice or quinoa over refined grains like white rice or bread. Pack your lunch to avoid unhealthy takeout options. And when eating out, order smart. Ask for dressings on the side or grilled instead of fried. 4. Leverage convenience wisely. Keep portion-controlled snacks like pre-packed nuts or fruit at your desk or in your bag for when hunger strikes. Look for ready-to-eat healthy options like pre-made meals or delivery services that prioritize nutrition. Check menus in advance online to see what healthier choices are available before dining out. Remember, healthy eating doesn't require hours in the kitchen. With intention and simple strategies, even the busiest professionals can stay nourished, energized, and productive. Your body and mind will thank you.